So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add money from your national bank account here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, I want you to go to the top and press on PayPal balance and then select add money. Now type in the amount of money that you want to add. So if you wanted to add $10, I would just press on $10. Then once it brings you to this screen under choose a way to add funds, select link a bank account. Now for me, because I'm in Canada under popular banks, if I just scroll down, the National Bank of Canada is right here. If you don't see it, just simply go to the top, search up National Bank of Canada, and then select it. It'll then redirect you to a login page right here. Once you're on the login page, you can sign into your account, agree and link the account, and then add money from this bank account this way. So that is how to add money from your National Bank of Canada account on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.